Class 8 Rai Martin Question Bank Model Question Paper 4 Bonga Kumudini Uchcha Balika Vidyalaya. Choose the correct alternative. Number 1. Who gets his sustenance from the earth's loosened mold? Option B. The saplings. Number 2. The birds that can be seen in the forest are celebrating the beauty of number A. Spring. Number 3. The green slopes cast its shadows. Number C option. In the hollows of the hill. Number 4. Here the word drooping means. Option A. Bending downwards. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What is meant by softly warbled song and from where does it come? Softly warbled song refers to the fast changing melodious tunes of the birds. It comes from the pleasant woods. Number 2. What fills the silver wood with and with what? The bright sunset fills the silver woods with light. Unseen. Write T for true and F for false statement. Number 1. Cottage industries do not support local economics. False. Number 2. Cottage industries sell traditional crafts. Tree. Answer the following question. Number 1. What kind of materials are used in cottage industries? Locally sourced materials are used in cottage industries. Number 2. How do cottage industries help especially women? Cottage industries help especially women by providing opportunities to work from home. Grammar and vocabulary. Fill in the blanks with appropriate articles and preposition. The disappearance of Subhash Chandra Bose on August 8, 1945 still remains an unsolved mystery. 4. Do as directed. Number 1. My sister was studying when I left home. Number 2. He has posted all the letters. Change the voice. All the letters have been posted by him. Number 3. Samrat has always been a responsible student. Rewrite the sentence using the antonym of the underlined word. Samrat has not always been irresponsible student. Number 4. This year, Rohan did not have any pain in his ear. Number 5. Bikes are slower than cars. Number 6. Don't make a noise. Turn into an affirmative sentence. You are forbidden to make a noise. 5. Find out words from the unseen passage in the question number 2 that mean the following. Craftsman, artisan, noticeable, notable.